For many companies, the amount of time, money, and effort required to run an IT system efficiently increases, and they are falling behind. You could solve this problem by partnering with an IT managed service provider, an MSP. In this episode, we will talk about what an MSP is, what the benefits are if you need one, and what to look for when you pick one. First of all, we have to identify what an MSP is. An MSP is an outsourced organization responsible for administrating and managing a specific service. It is an off-site IT company. It's a group of individuals that can provide a wide range of IT services without being physically present at your office. It is essential to pick the right MSP for your business because they can be a great solution for various reasons. How to choose a managed service provider? Consider the following factors before choosing an MSP for your business. Knowledge, skills, and experienced MSPs should offer more than just the basics. Putting together an effective team takes a lot of work. Ideally, the best team should handle everything from essential project management and handling dire issues. Check the depth of knowledge and training on the bench. A central selling point of MSPs is the team of people who can deal with a wide range of problems. Make sure they can prove what they say they can do. You want a partner who can support your business as it grows. As a client, make sure the price matches the quality, offering competitive SLAs. MSPs are also known for operating on service level agreement. This allows customers to select the service they need without paying more. Additionally, you will want to ensure that you understand what they are offering and support it. Is there 24/7 support available? Are they able to conduct both remote and in-house evaluations? Are response times guarantees? If they cannot comply with these agreements, what happens? The SLAs will specify what you can expect from your MSP. Do your homework and make sure you get what you need. Providing customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the priority of an MSP. Since you pay them to provide services that you need, remember that you are the client. Get some references and testimonials from your customers. Ask people who have had success stories about how they retain customers and find out if the businesses they were working with were similar to your own. It is crucial for service providers to put your needs first, which is why you should get an SLA. You should make sure that they can offer you what you need and keep you happy along the way. Partnership with third-party vendors. Choose a team with an ongoing relationship with technology vendors that you can trust. When you work with someone like Amazon or someone who offers Microsoft support, you can feel protected. The larger the partnership and the more certifications they have, the more credible their offering becomes. This is an excellent sign for the kind of business you will be partnering with. A managed service provider can have as little or as much input on your business's IT as your business requires. How do I know if an MSP is right for my organization? What's the size of your organization now? Under 5 people, 5 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 100, or 100 plus employees? What stage of the organization's life cycle are you at? Startup, fast growth, moderate growth? Are IT investments being redirected, growing, stable, or mature? The following options and advice are tailored to your stage of growth and the size of your staff. If your organization has specific security or other crucial concerns that require more robust support, a managed security provider may help, regardless of your size of maturity. Some examples are nonprofit organizations that work internationally or in politically sensitive policy areas or provide service to children whose records must be kept more securely. And at the 5-employee startup period, the cost of an MSP may not be affordable at present size unless you have advanced technology needs specific to your mission or program. You may be able to manage your requirements in a house with free low-cost tools that are widely available if you're a startup or have limited staff. We recommend when your team gets this big, one person takes on many business functions and strategic planning functions and invest in their growth and professional development to manage or outsource projects management as needed. However, even if you are starting, developing roadmap and a plan can save you from many headaches in the future. 5 to 25 staff during the high growth period, an MSP is a goal investment once your organization employs at least 5 people. If your technology needs are limited, you can probably handle your requirement in-house, but you are likely to encounter larger projects or organization-wide requirements at this point. There may be silos between development, accounting, and online marketing, and coordinated growth leads to inefficiencies and project failures. If you plan to grow your business or consider large projects, it is time to invest the MSP model and determine what is best for you. 25 to 50 staff, moderate growth maturity. From a cost benefit and cost center perspective, an MSP is the best model. For 25 to 50 staff nonprofits, the majority of companies of this size underinvest or misinvest substantially. Underinvestment was often due to relying on an ad hoc employee in the office. If you are a nonprofit of this size and do not use an MSP with the capacity to manage strategic planning, an initial assessment will show the return on investment of outsourcing project management support and strategic planning. With 50 to 100 employees, stable and mature growth, or redirecting investments period. The best delivery model for organizations of this size is still managed services. However, depending on the mission and the technology needs of the organization, a co-management model may also be advantageous. Investing in a robust in-house department becomes more beneficial as nonprofit reaches 100 employees. A smooth transition from fully outsourced to mostly in-house or co-managed can be achieved through strategic planning. You may also have specific development management or security needs that are better managed in-house or outsourced, depending on the mission of your large organization. You can customize your MSP support to the right level with the assessment and strategic roadmap. What is the benefit of an MSP? Partnering with an MSP has numerous benefits. Listed below are what we believe to be the top 8 benefits with working with an MSP based on your business needs. Economical firstly, and most excitedly, the business owners and finance directors, MSP can significantly reduce business expenses. MSP can be lower upfront costs associated with building infrastructure. This is especially beneficial to startups and small businesses. Recruiting costs are almost non-existent when you work with an MSP. An MSP will usually charge one flat rate for all the support staff you might need. Rather than hiring them all in-house, MSPs can provide a virtual director at a much lower cost than hiring one in-house director at additional cost. Also, you can collaborate with your partner MSP to develop a strategy what will help you to plan for expenditure over a period of time, usually a year, which will help you reduce unexpected costs. Experience. You can access a large team's vast knowledge and experience when you partner with an MSP. Since an MSP typically has several clients, your MSP is unlikely to come across an issue they haven't seen before and will be able to find a solution for the issue quickly and effectively. Adaptability. Scalability provides businesses with competitive edge and is essential for growing companies. Scalability provides businesses with competitive edge and is essential for growing companies. Whether businesses are scaling up or down, MSPs will ensure that a firm's productivity is preserved and downtime is reduced. In addition, MSPs can supply hardware and software to support their scaling requirements. Visibility of trends. Due to their involvement with a wide range of businesses, MSPs will be in the first to notice trends, new applications, and even threats. Your MSP can keep your business secure, protected, and give it a competitive edge by leveraging this knowledge. Continuity of operations. Disaster recovery and crisis management are two of the most important benefits of an MSP that they are overlooked frequently. Cyber attacks are becoming more common and aggressive. By 2020, 46% of businesses will suffer a cyber attack. Typically, solutions offered by MSPs include backup, off-site storage, crisis management, and disaster recovery. Additionally, if a crisis or a disaster ever occurs, you can rely on your MSP to restore and recover your lost data, information, hardware, and software. Support and monitoring 24/7, 365 days a year. MSPs offer 24/7, 365 monitoring and support. Malicious actors often carry out cyber attacks after business hours and during holiday periods such as Christmas, when fewer people are working and no one will be able to notice that an attack has taken place. Very few businesses can monitor their IT 24/7 or have an IT support available around the clock. Avoid downtime at all costs. In addition, your MSP will work in the background of your normal activities to reduce expensive downtime regardless of whether your business is moving locations, implementing new software, hardware updates, transforming their digital environment, or experiencing a cyber attack. Protecting your data. Your business can never have too much cybersecurity. The threats are evolving every day, and security solutions cannot detect them as they become more sophisticated. MSPs stay up to date on the latest security threats, which enable them to provide proactive solutions before an incident occurs. Furthermore, your MSP will be able to access the latest security solutions and the best security providers. Your chosen MSP can help increase visibility across the IT infrastructure and highlight weaknesses that need to be addressed and prioritized. How to choose an MSP? An MSP is very widely, and the qualities you look for in an MSP will vary depending on your business needs. However, here are the checklist of what we need to consider to be the most important when you are looking for an MSP. Customer support or help desk, quick response time, security solutions, support for flexibility, demonstrated track record, cloud migration, digital transformation services, certifications, accreditations, and good reputation, and personalized options for your business. Conclusion: it is essential to choose the right managed service provider. Hiring the right team can give your business an incredible advantage. That's all for today's episode. Links to everything will be in the description below. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. It will notify you about our new content that we share with you every week. This will help us produce great content for our professional audience. Let us know if there is something you would like us to discuss in future episodes. Please click the links in the show notes and you can address your questions directly to me. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.